You can watch the first 30 seconds, but boom, what? That's one view for you. What's up, y'all? It's the girl Yana, and today I am back with another video. Today's video is basically going to be me telling you guys how you can increase the chance of going viral and how you can just basically go viral. But if you're new to my channel, you already know what to do. Go ahead and click that subscribe button, click the like button, just comment down below anything you want to see from my channel, any questions you have, just comment it down below. And if you're not new to my channel, thanks for tuning back in, and this information should help you out. Y'all know I like to share information. Every information I get, I like to share with y'all. You know, so y'all might just go ahead and get right on to the video and share some of the tips and tricks and stuff that I have and I've been researching and I learned about YouTube. I'm just gonna go ahead and get right on into the video. Well, guys, y'all know when you trying to go viral or going viral, period, the stuff I really learned that will like help you go viral, help your views get up there and your watch time and stuff like that is basically it's all about your title, your description, and your tags. Yeah, basically your title, your description, and your tags, and what you say in the beginning of your video. But I'm gonna be showing you guys some of my stuff that I have, and basically some of the stuff on how to like do it and how to put your words in action. Y'all know what I mean. But basically with your title, it's a thing called TubeBuddy, and I heard it's very good. I don't use it myself just because I'm very like good with coming up with titles and stuff like that. I don't use it myself, but it's called TubeBuddy, and they do have a free trial on some of the stuff, but the free trial it don't have some of the stuff that you might need to like make your title just like get a good title. For the title part, yes, you should title the video and what your video is going to be about, but you should also like pay attention to how competitive the title is, and just basically how like competitive the title is. Like you say you're doing a video like how to do a makeup tutorial. You want to look, so you can also use keywords to look up on YouTube. You can type in how to do a makeup tutorial or whatever and see which ones. People might not actually name it that way. That don't mean go and copy someone else's name or the title. It's just, then you can just like put it inside the TubeBuddy and they'll show you if it's a good title. It have like a red, I'm gonna just put a screenshot right here. It'll have like a red zone and the green zone. The red zone means it's not a good title. And at the bottom, it'll tell you how competitive the title is and how not. You wanna try to use a title that's a good title, but not so competitive. Because it's competitive, that means like a lot of people is using that title. You wanna try to use something that's unique, but also people will try to search up that would be a good title. And also with the title, you know how some people have the title in capital letters. That do help people click on the video, but some of your titles should be capital letters and some like have to do a makeup tutorial, and you should have that in capital letters, and on the side you might want to put like can make you look so good and not capital letters. That will help YouTube part, and then the capital letters will basically help you get views and stuff. In the description, I use an app called YT Tracker. It stands for YouTube Tracker. You can look it up on iPhones or iOS device and even Androids. It's basically, it helps you with the YouTube what's that word? Algorithm. I don't know how to pronounce the word, y'all. Y'all know I be getting tongue-tied. But yeah, it basically helped that and help you get in the recommended and suggestion box. Basically, like with that, like with your description, they will want to see you have with your title, they'll want to see that in the description, and with your tags, they'll want to have your tags like matching your description. I don't know how to like put it in like words or whatever, but in description they want to have your first few lines. I'm going to screenshot and put it right here. They want to have your first few lines of description match like your tags. So, and also when you first start a video, I noticed how I said this video is going to be about me teaching you guys how to go viral and increase your chance of going viral. They also want to hear you say some of them things inside, like say some of your title words inside the keywords inside of the video. And with the tags part, for instance, if you want to do tags, everyone should do tags. That's how it helps you get out there. Basically, the tags, it's all about the tag, description, and title. So your tags, when you go to doing your tags, inside the tags you want to have like, my title, this is probably going to be how to go viral How to go viral. So if your title is going to be how to go viral inside your tags, your first tag should be how to go viral. And then break it down. Your next tag, how to go viral on YouTube. Viral on YouTube. Viral in 2020. Basically, it's stuff that people is going to look up and actually think of to type inside the keyword search box, so it can help you basically rank up, and it can help you suggestions. And also, when you first post a video in the 24 hours, the first 24 hours is also so crucial to YouTube and the algorithm. I don't know if I said that right, but that is so crucial. In the first 24 hours, you want to try to get as much engagement and as much views as possible with that. So in the first 24 hours, you want to make sure have people commenting on your videos and also reply back to their comments. That's what I need to work on. I need to work on replying back to my comments, but have people reply back to your comments, like, and sometimes you can even comment yourself, pin a comment, so people, if they don't have like stuff to say when they watch the video, they can also reply back to your comment just to get your engagements up there. And it's also good to make sure people is watching your videos fully through. You notice when people want to subscribe to my channel, I'll be like, what's your link to subscribe to my channel? I do not drop the link to my video, and it's the reason for that. I don't drop the link to my video because when you drop the link to your video and people click on your video, they're clicking on your video just to subscribe to your channel. That don't mean they're going to watch the video fully through, and that's messing up. Basically, it's not messing up your watch time, but it's messing up like your rate to like people watching your videos fully through. So when people want to subscribe to my channel, I click the link to my channel, not to a specific video, just so they can subscribe. And if they like a video, they can go ahead and click on the video and actually watch the video fully through. I know that like I'm in a group chat actually helps like with your comments and stuff and your watch time, but also when people like, you can have 10 people watch your videos, that's good for you, that's 10 views. But if the people are not watching your videos all the way through, that's not good for YouTube algorithm. That's not good for them putting you in a suggestion and recommended, if y'all know what I'm trying to say. It's always good, if people are not watching your videos through, why would YouTube want to put you out there? Like, if they're not watching your videos fully through, they like to see the engagement and how long people watch your videos. If they're only clicking on your videos for 30 seconds, why would YouTube want to put you up there if they're only clicking on your video for 30 seconds? That's just not, they wouldn't want to do that. That's why I said it's also good to have your title match your description. I'm going to have some little screenshots over here of the apps I use and stuff like that to help me get through. I know I recently made a video how to do great thumbnails. I mean, I made it like maybe like a month or two ago, and it's like almost at 800 views. And I mean, that's good for me. It's not viral, but that's a lot of views in a short amount of time. People have stuff that they had up there for a year and it's just reaching 1K views. So I mean, like, it's not a long time, but I'm just saying, like, it reached that amount fast. So it's all about your tags and stuff like that. I'm gonna be putting stuff over here in the apps I use. The app I use, and it's also to get people to YouTube. They like to see stuff about your captions. If y'all notice when I click on my video, it says CC, and some of the people that you guys watch, like viral people that you guys watch, you see next to the video say CC. The CC stands for closed captioning. Basically, that's just what you say. And if you notice, when you click on closed captioning, YouTube is not going to have the whole thing right. And YouTube, that will help you get in suggestions and recommend it too. I'm going to put that on the side, screenshot what I'm talking about, screenshot what I'm trying to say, because I know I talk a little fast. But use that basically as a starter. So when YouTube have your closed caption, use that as a starter, and you go in and you edit so people can understand what you're trying to say. Because I might say something else, and YouTube closed caption might automatically say something different. You know what I'm trying to say. But everything I'm saying, I'm gonna put it up here, hopefully, so you guys can understand what I'm trying to say. So the first one was your title. Try to put capital what you want everybody to see, and then lowercase what you want YouTube to help YouTube place you in a spot that you need to be placed in. If you're talking about makeup, okay, put it capital and then put the rest of your stuff lowercase, just so the lowercase part can be for YouTube to help YouTube place you where you want to be. And then the description. You want your description to have some of the keywords that your tag is going to have in there, the first few lines at that. I'm going to screenshot, like I said, I'm going to screenshot what I'm talking about and stuff. But you want your description to have some of the few lines up here, some of the few lines of the tags up there. So just basically, it'll like help you when people click on your video and stuff like that. And then the next thing is your engagement. The first 24 hours is so crucial, because YouTube want to see people engaging in your videos, watching it fully through. If people are not watching your videos fully through, that's not good either. You want to make sure whoever watches videos, try to get them to watch it fully through. I'm not saying clickbait, because you know a lot of people clickbait. I'm not saying do that. But if you're going to clickbait, make sure your video actually is engaging. Like, make sure your video actually live up to what you're trying to say. That's basically what I'm trying to say. So, like, number one is your title, then it's your description, and then it's your tags. YouTube give you not 500, but YouTube give you a lot of places in the description. Try to fill the description up, because that helps you shoot. Try to fill it up. And like I said, again, I'm going to screenshot everything that I'm trying to say to put it over here so you guys can know what I'm trying to say. But try to fill it up, guys. That helps a lot. And the comments, make sure you try to reply to everybody's comments. Like everybody's comments, also pin something. So if anybody want to scroll down and read the comments, they can also reply to your pinned comment. That's just in case. But yeah, it's basically about, I'm going to say this again, it's your title, your description, your tags, and your comments. That's very, very crucial. Like, for instance, on Instagram, like, when you first post a picture, in order for Instagram to, like, actually put you out there, they want to see how much comments you can get in the first 30 minutes. It's the first 30 minutes for YouTube, but for not YouTube, for Instagram. It's the first 30 minutes for Instagram. For YouTube, you have 24 hours to get as much comments and stuff as you need. So YouTube and much views, you want to have people watch your videos fully out. It's not just about views, it's how long people watch your video. If people only watch it for the first 30 seconds, why would YouTube want to why would YouTube want to put you out there? People only watching your video for the first 30 seconds. Your video almost 20 minutes long, and people only watching your videos for 5 minutes. I mean, that's good, but you still want to get people to watch it fully through. I say out of 100% of people watching your videos, you want to at least get 50% people watching your videos fully through, because that's going to help you. That's going to help you. It's not going to only help you get recommended. It's going to help your watch time too. But yeah, it's all the people are always worried about their watch time and subscribers. I mean, yeah, it's good to worry about that, but I'm just saying, like, yeah, it's good to worry about your watch time, but when you putting good content out there and you trying to get people to watch your content, watch time will come. If you know what I'm trying to say, watch time will come. Basically, if you're trying to get people, the world, to see your stuff, one day you might put a video out there, the world might see your stuff, you might wake up and you have 1 million views or something. There go all your watch time. You want to make good content so people could actually get into your videos and subscribers will come. And also, if you're trying to get people to watch your videos, trying to get people to watch your videos, trying to get people go viral and people to watch your videos, are you ready to go viral is the question. Like, it's your description. Like, when people start watching your stuff, if they're going to look in your description and you're going to have a good description, you're going to have your social media linked in there. So when you also go viral on YouTube, all your stuff can transfer over to Instagram. You know what I'm trying to say? Like, not transfer over, but people could get into your other social medias. You want to have some of your video links in your description so people can actually click on some of the other videos when they're done watching this one, just in case another video do not pop up next. You can have your other video descriptions in there. But y'all, I don't want to make this video too long. I already been talking forever. I hope y'all get what I'm trying to say. I don't have nothing but time on my hands, so y'all be researching things and just basically trying to get more familiar with YouTube and not just putting out videos or whatever. So yeah, I mean, I know you guys want to hear what I want to say, and if you don't, boo, get interested, okay? But yeah, I just be trying to tell you guys some of the knowledge that I be learning and stuff like that. Basically, you just want to do what YouTube wants. You want to do what YouTube wants. Everybody want people to, you want supporters, you want people to, you know what I'm trying to say, you basically want to do what YouTube wants. So yeah, don't forget, it's not about only the views. When people watch the views, people saying watch the first 30 seconds. I mean, you can watch the first 30 seconds, but what? That's one view for you. You got the first 30 seconds. But instead of saying watch the first 30 seconds, watch the first 10 minutes, okay? Because my video might not be 20 minutes long. Watch the first 10 minutes, okay? Remember what I said? You at least get 50% out of that 100 to watch the video fully through. But y'all, I'm not going to talk so much. I got as much as I want to say out. And if you want a part 2 of this, you want more information, if you want anything else, don't forget to comment down below, guys. And follow my social media. I made a new social media, so you guys can follow that. That will be in the description down below. And guys, I am done talking for this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. I'm open to anything. Just let me know what you guys think. And basically, I'm gonna just see you guys in the next video, maybe next week, maybe tomorrow, maybe another one today, maybe the day after that, and the day after that. I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you guys.